Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the indicator light lens in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Cut one or more of the zip ties securing the selector switch assembly wire harness to provide enough slack to remove the switch assembly. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the selector switch assembly to the front panel. Pull the assembly away from the panel. Using the small flathead screwdriver, push on the rear of the old indicator light lens to detach it from the panel. To install the new indicator light lens, insert it into the panel from the front and snap it into place. Reposition the selector switch assembly in the front panel and thread the two mounting screws. Use new zip ties to secure the selector switch wire harness. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.